Struggling to find the right contingent workforce solutions? You're not alone. It's a complex responsibility, only made easier with the right plan and implementation. A holistic contingent workforce management strategy both predicts organizational needs and addresses them quickly. It saves time and limits risks. Let's dive into a common issue. Human resources and procurement teams are often split, with HR concerned with talent opportunities and procurement focused on cost and compliance. It creates fragmentation. Here are some immediate best practices you can implement today to bridge the gap. Create synergy between HR and procurement. It's all about cross-functionality. When there's a constant flow of communication between HR and procurement, it reduces friction, allows for greater visibility, and enhances access to data and control. Invest in a vendor management system, VMS. Oxford Economics and Fieldglass found that less than half of business executives consider themselves highly informed about their contingent workforce. Likewise for procurement professionals, with nearly half also lacking the necessary level of insight. A VMS tool solves this problem, helping employers achieve greater visibility across their entire contingent workforce program. Mandate business-wide processes and procedures. While this requires time to design and implement, it eliminates complexity. A centralized program is the key to achieving constant hires, compounding performance, and driving a contingent workforce that meets immediate and long-term organizational needs.